Vaccinating Maryland. The CDC says 20% of people in our state have received at least one dose of the coronavirus vaccine so far. Hello, everybody. I'm Denise Koch.
And I'm Nicole Baker. By this time tomorrow, capacity restrictions at retail and restaurant locations, much of the state, will be a thing of the past.
But not in Baltimore City, where the mayor's office says it is still too dangerous to lift them. WJZ investigator Mike Helgren is live at M&T Bank Stadium following the latest developments. Mike.
Denise, Nicole, 20% of people in Maryland have gotten at least one shot, and the parking lot here at M&T Bank Stadium was more crowded than we have seen it since they started giving out vaccinations here. Now, as for Baltimore City, a number of businesses are going to have to wait a little while longer before they can open up more fully. On the one-year anniversary of the World Health Organization declaring COVID-19 a global pandemic, Baltimore City's mayor says it is too early to lift restrictions. The mayor's office tells WJZ the numbers and public health indicators clearly do not warrant a reopening at the governor's pace at this time. City capacity restrictions will remain at 25% for indoor dining, gyms, and retail, 50% for outdoor dining. The mayor will hold a press conference tomorrow at 2 p.m.
Our state law does grant the local governments the ability to be more restrictive.
In a new interview with Politico, Governor Hogan defended lifting all capacity restrictions on restaurants and retail starting tomorrow, while continuing to make masks mandatory.
There are certain states that want to keep all of their businesses shut down, and I don't agree with those decisions. There are other other states that say no masks and we should do whatever we want. We try to find that balanced position.
7,832 Marylanders have died since the pandemic began, a year that has upended lives and pushed doctors to their limits.
Never has there been a virus that one person could not even get sick with and have no symptoms, and then the person right next to them could be dead within a few days.
As for the new stimulus coming from Washington, Hogan says relief is needed, but he would not have voted for it because of the lack of bipartisanship.
If you're just going to cram things through with every Democratic wish list with not a single Republican vote, it's going to be really hard to get an agenda through.
Now, the governor says he would have trimmed about $1 trillion from the stimulus package, saying that much of that relief has nothing to do with COVID. Reporting live at M&T Bank Stadium, Mike Helgren, WJZ.